Welcome to Chris BI. I'm Chris. This is Dax. And today we're going to be checking out February 2023's new accessibility themes that are in Power BI. This is super exciting. I can't wait to show it to you. Alliance is counting on you. Like, subscribe, leave a comment down below, turn on that alarm bell so you don't miss any future mission. Okay, so some brand new themes in Power BI to help people see and consume your reports better in case they have color blindness issues or just have general visibility issues. That stuff can be really hard. And so they've introduced these new themes, accessible themes inside of Power BI. They've got our accessible default, accessible city park, accessible title, and accessible neutral, and last but not least, accessible orchid. This is our Power BI report. It's got our standard Kratos BI theme that's been applied to it. And I'm just going to quick run through the different themes that are out there so you can check these out. So you can determine, are these worth adding to yours, or do you want to take the effort to maybe customize your theme to make it more accessible? Check it out. All right, so if you tested this out, maybe you want to reset back to your current theme. Well, it's simple enough. I just head back into themes. I go down to browse for themes right there. And I find my Kratos BI theme that I've saved off. I click on it, hit open, and blah. Right back to my base report that I had before. I was able to test it out, see what the new accessible themes will look like, and generally speaking, I thought it was a great way to check this out, check out these new themes. So making your Power BI content accessible to everyone is really important to be able to help grow and adopt these new tools and to make sure that everyone's able to get value from the incredible insights that you're creating. Understanding what colors work well together and what colors don't can be really hard for people. These new themes make it super easy. If you like the new themes, let me know. I want to hear about it. Leave a comment down below. Heck, anything down below is great. Put in a number one. Do just something. The interaction, the comments really help feed the channel, help tell YouTube that people are not just watching the content, but interacting with it. So anything you could do, I'd really appreciate it. If you want to support the channel, head over to kratosbi.com. Buy me a coffee. This month, I've got a new Deneb sticker, but I've got a whole bunch of other Power BI stickers. I'll send them over to you. of, if you buy me a coffee, I'll send that out. All proceeds go to support the channel, or mostly go into like buying stickers and mailing them out to people. So thank you guys so very much. You have a great day. Peace. Baker Tilly Digital combines strategic industry insight and advanced technical expertise to uncover and solve your digital transformation challenges. If you're interested in learning more, check out our website at bakertilly.com/digital.